What are we putting in this one, cousin?
Push in.
What are we doing, cousin?
No.
Oh, was this the kid?
Oh,
Jesus Christ. Oh my. George. Oh, this is gonna be hard.
that's sick.
This is gonna be dope.
You have to freaking...
You have to go through the whole. Yeah, that's gonna be a bitch.
Oh, that's not bad.
I mean, that's your dad, bro.
Yeah.
That's like the 85 reader thingy-majigger.
Yeah.
Hard.
It's like the biggest part.
You have to splice that into somewhere. Are you gonna...
Alright, what is this kit called, cousin?
It's called the SIRIMOto Flex Fuel Kit.
Alright, so you're gonna be able to run corn and regular gas at the same time?
Is this for your,
Hard.
where your whole thing is at?
No, that's for the gauge. Like you change it. Yeah.
That's for the...
Alright, and then put the GoPro on.
Oh,
Yeah, it's for the POV, dog.
we have two of them?
Two what? GoPros?
Oh, they had two GoPros.
No, I have one. Oh, disconnect the battery. Y'all are messing up already.
Where?
Right there, it's his first, dude. You don't want to get shocked, homie.
I have other people who usually do my installs. This is my
Oh my god, exposed.
This is the one who does this.
Woo! Facts.
Allegedly.
The ones I can do.
I know.
When it comes to exhaust or headers?
No, no.
No.
Have you got any headers?
I have them, but they're not on though. Hell no, that shit's hella small. That shit's hella small to be a 10.
Oh, what did I tell you, bro?
Dab me up.
I didn't drop out an ETI for nothing.
Jesus Christ. Let me see. Let me see a champ.
Hey, this shit ain't coming out.
I'll do.
I feel like.
No, I'm gonna do this. You can watch me.
Check it out though. Always disconnect the battery when you're working with anything of the car. You understand?
Are you sure that's only this one?
Let me see.
Because like it's loose, but it's like not wanting to go up.
Oh man. You just gotta stop being a bitch. You fucking turned up. Oh, yeah. There you go.
I just didn't want you in the back.
Oh, okay. Yeah, my back's pretty sore right now.
Is it just a connector?
Yep.
You probably need a flathead. You probably need a flathead.
Nah, fuck no. Okay, shit.
Okay, Joe.
Hey man, you're missing the content.
Nah, low key.
No.
You gotta hold it.
Puta madre, dude. What the fuck? Bro, why do cars have this?
The plastic?
Hey, wait, you could see it.
Ow! Where?
You could see. You have to get in there.
You fucking bitch. This car falls on me, I'm killing
Get
you.
in there. Get in there. Get in there. Wait. Look behind it.
Oh, look, I see your cat. Take that shit off. See how loud it is. Oh! This one?
Yep.
What'd you just disconnect? Are you disconnecting this whole line right here?
Yeah, this one's gonna come out.
It's gonna leak, isn't it?
That's
This is a
why-
coolant line, isn't it?
No. This is the fuel line.
Still, look. Alright.
Yeah, it's gonna leak.
It's a car.
Is it recording? Do you see time? 51, 52, 53,
Yeah.
54? Nice.
You better not put these fucking words. Then, okay, so hold it at the bottom. Hold one at the bottom. Yeah.
Is it gonna leak a lot or a little?
I've seen it's kind of like iffy. Alright.
So how much gas do you have?
Oh, wait. I have to pull it out. Hold on, watch out.
Hey, to run the 85, because I know on my car, on my tune, I had to be completely gone on gas and then fill up a 85.
That's flex fuel. Yes, flex fuel is different.
Yeah, flex fuel.
Oh, I'm going full 85, can't relate.
Hey. Can't relate, bro.
That's what they got jugs for. I'm gonna get like 30 of them.
Hey.
I know.
Can't relate, bro. I'm gonna get 60 horsepower off of this. How much you gonna get?
A lot. A 10?
10? Oh.
How much mods I have? You better relax.
It's still gonna be 10.
The more mods you have, the more E85 works.
It's
Okay, but like no, it's not gonna be like hell.
yeah, it's not gonna be.
It's gonna be cool.
It's gonna be like.
Corn fed.
It's gonna be like 13.
Maybe.
Corn fed.
It's only matters if
these
your
are new
turbo.
ones.
If your turbo is.
Yeah, if you turbo, you get more.
Fuck
or
turbos.
Supercharged.
Yeah.
Fuck supercharged.
Okay. So
I'm
hold
NA,
it.
bro.
It's gonna come out. Wait, I have to push it. Wait, where's it coming out of?
It's leaking?
Nah, it's gonna come out, but it's already just
From there, from where this thumbs up.
How's it coming out?
Why do I feel like this shit's gonna be hot?
It might be.
I'm a little scared, bro.
Hold on, how do I
It's not
disconnect
gonna be
it?
boiling though.
Pinch these two and then pull it out. That
It's pinch.
and then pull.
Ooh! Ooh! Verga, hold on. It says right here.
Oh, look.
Hold that connector.
Look.
This is the connector.
Oh look, he did it. He did it.
He
You
did
gotta
it.
pull it out.
Wait,
Pull it out.
hold the
He's
gas,
gotta pull it
nigga.
Pull it out!
Hold on, I have to.
That's not the first time you said that.
What? Don't fucking elbow me in the face. This nigga's gonna pop me, dude.
Hold on, wait. I think you connected it back in.
Stop it! Okay, nigga, I'm gonna do it. Here you
Hold
go
on.
with the shit. Hold it.
Hold on, George. Let's see where it comes out. Okay. And then you.
Oh! Let's go!
Okay.
Oh,
Did I get any,
yeah,
did I get
it's
any
all-
gas? Nah.
What do you mean? It's all over my fucking
Oh,
finger.
your fingers, nigga. That doesn't matter.
Go give me some gloves.
I don't give a fuck about your
Go give me some gloves.
Look what being a bitch, nigga.
Look, there's another one right here. Do you have to take this one off too?
Yeah.
No, but not right now.
Hold on,
Relax.
hold on, yeah.
Brr.
We just,
Oh, cover the
Wanna know
pipe
what's
end.
cute?
Cover the pipe end. So let's get some tape.
Wanna know what's cool? All I had to do is switch my fuel injectors, buddy.
Oh, really?
You know how long that takes? 5 minutes. No, it doesn't. You have to disconnect your whole fuel lines. No, not fuel lines, your whole fuel system. Alright, watch out. Let me do it. You don't know how to do it. Move. Don't fucking elbow me.
I think it's gonna come out of there.
Take this out. Take this out. I was watching a video of some food. He fucking dropped this shit into the engine.
Hurt.
You drop that piece?
Yeah.
Do I take it out?
Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Though. Let me put this under. Put this under.
You're pretty
Put
good
this
at
under.
pulling out.
Yeah.
You dab me up.
Let me try. Let me try.
You don't know what you're doing, buddy.
Nigga, I was the one that loosened it the first time.
Thanks. Are you sure you're not doing the right one?
Bro, fuck Hondas, dude.
So you're gonna have to start preparing your ethanol sensor kit, bro. That's what you have to pull out. I'm kidding, relax.
Ah! Fuck me, dude. This is. Oh. My hand ain't burning.
Oh, right here?
You guys have the other one? Oh, okay.
Wait.
I have to start preparing it. You're not even, bro.
I'm trying to take it out.
By the time I'm done, you might be getting started.
You have to.
How much you paying
Where's
us?
the tab? Where's this thing?
How much are you paying us?
I'll give you $1, bro.
How much?
High five.
Hola, loco.
Do you do this? Oh, he did it.
No, he didn't.
I heard it quick.
Yeah, he clipped it back in. Bought.
Oh, now he did it.
He clipped it back in again. Move, bot. You know what you're doing. Move.
No,
I think doing a turbo setup
you
would be
smell
better.
gas.
For me? You're just pulling like this.
It ain't that easy. I'm doing that.
It's honestly hella hard.
Fucking bitch. Excuse my language. Trinidad, you see this right here?
Hey,
pull it out.
you
I'm
hear
gonna
the
pinch these
bolt?
out. Oh, he's in there? Hey!
What?
Pull it.
Wait, am I playing the right one? This one?
Yeah, you're gonna pull it.
Why is it? Okay. Wait, I can't, because it's like clipped in right here.
I know, but that's what I'm touching. Ready? Go. Hola, loco, not so hard. You're gonna break it.
Oh, this is all one line.
Nick, that's what we're taking out.
No. You can't pull it that way. You have to pull it this way.
Wait, what is this though?
Oh! Morons.
You!
Morons.
That's what I was
Watch out.
saying. I was like,
Watch out.
Don't fucking
you have
elbow
to
me,
like
bot.
pull it up, unlock it.
We don't work on Hondas, bro.
Bro, I think my Subaru would be easy to work on.
Dude, my intake is bigger than your engine.
Facts.
I said that to him earlier today. I'm saying earlier today because I actually did it yesterday, but this is all gonna go in one video. Feel me?
Go.
Pull. Ow, you bitch! Hold on.
I need to twist it up.
Wait, it's coming out. Hey, put the rack.
The rack.
Do right.
It's fucked up.
Don't. Yeah, that don't give a fuck. He get better at do-rag. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey, did you post it?
Nah, that was my girl that gave me one.
Fuck, I'm over trying to. You ain't doing shit.
Let's go. I had the one who pulled it out.
No. Ooh. He's trying to take credit
Take
for
out the
something
line,
I
take out the line,
did,
take out the line.
dude. Oh my god, that's straight gas.
Low-key, this
You ain't gonna be smelling that.
Low-key, this is gonna be content because there's no video showing.
You're gonna be smelling some corn juice. I've never stop, bitch. I've never smelled the 85 before. You smell the 85? I'm sorry.
Today's your lucky day.
Wanna go to Crow's Landing?
With the
Right now,
That's
right?
Ninth Street.
Oh,
Yeah, in Crow's Landing.
no.
Ninth
9th
Street.
Street.
It's past Crow's Landing. It's
No.
past Crow. There's another one?
There's one.
Cruisers.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
the
you
one by the
don't go
going
on
towards
Crow's
the.
Landing. It's better to go on the freeway and just go.
No,
out
yeah,
at night.
that's what I'm talking about. The one that's like kind of by downtown Vanessa.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
By
Dab
the
me
tomato
up.
factory.
Damn me up.
Okay, what's next?
The hell was that?
That's where I go.
Oh, that's.
That was way.
Come on, that was way. No, mom. Let me see.
Bro, you can't fucking
faggot.
put it in.
I
Bro.
don't wanna break
You
your
can't
shit.
put it in
Nigga's
the hole.
gay, bro.
I did.
You don't gotta clip
I think he's gay, bro.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he is.
I put it in. That
No,
was
you
in.
just slide it in. You don't gotta clip. You don't gotta press the clips.
That's what I
He
did.
did have to press it. I think he's gay, bro.
I agree with you.
Corn fed.
You change your name to a corn fed.
Corn fed SI.
What is this? A K20 or what is this? K24?
K7? FK7?
FP7?
FK7.
FK7?
That's
Yeah.
cute.
I think so.
Let me see.
Okay.
You only gotta use OW20, bro? That's the cheapest one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We have the twice of that. You could probably fit a V8 in here. You gotta put it sideways.
You want my engine? I'll sell you my block. 10K. Only has 8,000 miles in it.
He's nuts, nigga. Alright, so.
When did you buy your car?
When?
Yeah.
Like 7 months ago.
Yeah. How many months did you buy it with? 5?
Like 5.
And you put
No,
2,000
like
miles?
4. I only put like 4,000.
Bro, I have 11 in this.
That's
And you
cute.
bought it brand new, huh?
Brand new.
When'd you buy yours?
In February.
Yeah,
Oh!
you drive a lot more. Than
Yeah, I drive.
He goes to Fresno.
I
Oh,
drive.
yeah, that's
I
fast.
drive.
Oh, I put like, how many did I say? I put like 13,000 miles on mine in 1 year.
Oh my god.
That's enough, fool.
Oh my god.
That's a lot for me.
Oh my
¿Saben o no?
god. Simón.
Yeah. Más fácil que el otro, huh?
Facts.
I'm sorry?
It was easier than the other.
Did they give you a bolt?
Here. No.
Simón.
Is it Tiz or what?
Factory.
Go give me a. Where's that? Oh, that's. Oh, I thought that was a nut. And then should I run this under like that? And then we're gonna.
How you gonna turn it?
It says to run it. Hold on, let's see.
Oh yeah. Huh. Hey, this needs to turn, dude, doesn't it? Doesn't it need to go like this?
I think you
Yeah.
gotta flip them.
But let's see. Okay, so let me see. Watch out. I'll do this.
Did you put them right?
Wait, hold on, wait.
Yeah, I did. Look.
How's it
Look.
gonna?
Look.
Hey. Don't yell at me. Wait. But,
Hey, we're good.
That's like gloves.
It's gonna run back here.
you dropped something. What'd you drop?
The green part. God damn it. It's at the bottom there.
It's fine. You can use other words. You can use stock one.
It's at the bottom.
Check.
Sure.
Hope so.
Oh yeah, that's no way that's at the bottom.
It is.
You see
You
it?
see the light?
Don't forget it.
He's like, oh.
No, la partecita que le quitaste. Damn it.
It's not under there, huh? Use the stock one. George, you can fit a fat ass turbo in here.
¿Ves esta? ¿Todo turbo?
I mean, you're
The turbo's on the front, ¿qué no?
poner a tu abuela también para que lo repuje?
Oh my.
Okay. Well, let me do it. I don't want you to fuck up.
Me? Who's the one who dropped it?
I don't know where that fell, to be honest.
No. You're just a bot.
Fuck no. It just snaps, right?
Simón. There you go. Damn me up.
That's it. We're done. Nice.
Yeah, we still have more.
Ya les dijiste esto.
All right, corn.
Hey,
Ah.
me dice ahora, me aprieta la madre. No tengo fuerza. Ya me duelen los pinches huesos. Dale, ya estoy maderado, dice. Ya está, amigo. ¿Sabes quién tiene fuerza? Ordeña vaca. Hey, yo te puedo ordeñar así. Pero no son vacas.
Who I'm gonna tell, dude?
Pero no son vacas.
They're these.
How the fuck do you take?
Oh, no, porque ese es
No,
un tornillo que está del otro lado, ¿no?
Yeah, pero look what it's like a little plastiquito, pero es lo que dice.
This shit don't do nothing though.
I know.
I think you just get a nut.
I should, yeah.
Get a nut.
I don't have one.
A ver, déjame ver cómo es la tuerca. Oh. Hey.
Pero aquí dice es lo que a lo que va.
Yeah, no, but just to be safe though, this shit is not supporting
Yeah, that
shit.
shit's hella
You just duct tape it, bro. It's all on
Get another zip tie.
Aquí dice one.
I got it.
Y dice aquí.
You
mount
screwing
the-
it?
Whatever.
Nah, yeah, dude, you need to get a nut. No cap. George, you need a nut.
Oh, the radiator.
The radiator clip thingy?
Yeah.
Before you guys actually take off the fuel lines, there's actually a clip by the radiator that needs to come out, which I'm pretty sure it's just a fucking thing for the gauge to actually work. Is that what it's for? Yes? Alright, well that's what we think. It's
What is this
actually
for?
down here towards the radiator. If you take off the little plastic piece that's under your car, you'll be able to reach it. What we do so far? We took off the stock fuel lines, and then basically, it's common sense. You just plug in the new fuel lines that they actually gave us in the package. So the fuel line connects, it's literally where the old one went. You just gotta take this one off, and then it connects from here. You can see, and then you connect it right here. But they give you a zip tie, but it's actually not really held up that good. So that was the first step that we did. We took off the old fuel lines. and then we put the new ones. Our second step is actually we had to go through the fuse box. And what do we have to do, George? You want to explain what you had to do with the fuse box?
The fuse box, we just had to run out of it. But this is where this one's at. You just remove it, and then you're gonna connect it right back in there. And then over here, we just connected it. We just connected it to the ground, and that's about it. That's where we're at right now. This is off with the gauge.
All this that he's doing with the fuse box is actually with the gauge. Just can I see the gauge real quick, cousin? Just real quick. It's just the reader. What does this read?
Your ethanol content.
There you go. It just reads that. This is basically, this is the only thing you have to do to the fuse box, right? Just to get that working?
Yeah.
Okay, so. Jesus Christ, are you hearing this?
What?
We're gonna body your Honda.
Why?
We're gonna put all of our cars together.
What?
Have you ever seen two Coyotes and one Mustang?
Two Coyotes and one.
Two Coyote engines and one Mustang?
What are you saying?
Get out of here, Nick.
Have you?
One for the front
One
tire.
for the front, one for each tire, bro. Imagine that shit.
No, one's a
4
rear.
cylinder per tire.
Yeah, his engine's in the front of his car. We're gonna take mine out and put it in the mid. It's gonna be a mid-engine car. So it's basically gonna have.
How about we put turbos 1.5
No.
in the front,
No.
mid-engine, Lambo.
Stupid.
Alright, what do we do after what though?
George, hey, how about you go to sleep? I'm gonna do this for you.
Are you serious? Oh, what time do you gotta be out to go to
This one goes
school?
connected to.
Oh yeah, what time are you going to school?
I'm not going tomorrow.
You bought? You said you were.
I know. You said
Wait, oh no. You said Thursday. You said Thursday.
You said I'm dropping out
You're dropping out of
to
school?
become a full-time
Dab me up.
Honda Civic racer.
Oh my god. You're gonna get your money by winning races? Jesus
I wish I
Christ.
could. Nah, nobody.
I'll get clapped.
Racing is fucking scary,
You'll
bro.
die. I almost died once.
I went to the fucking mountains, straight out of fucking Fast and the Furious, Tokyo Drift. That shit was scary, bro.
Shut the fuck
Everyone
up.
else had bigger balls than me because they've been there before. So
You
Shut
were
the
like,
fuck up, for real?
I swear to God, dude, there's a Whipple supercharger, fucking Sergio and his Evo, and then like a 13, 14 Mustang GT. So I thought it was gonna be that one. But no, dude, they gabbed me.
They were actually racing on the fucking hill?
Oh no, we were racing, but we were like going hella fast. It was scary. I wasn't going that fast.
I'll do it in this car. I wouldn't do it in your car.
Mustang, dude.
Fuck
You know
no.
how many times I was like, yeah. I was like,
You gotta have some big ass balls for that, dude.
dude, nigga has a Whipple charge Mustang and did that shit. Well, he like upgraded his budget too.
Oh, what are you trying to do?
We have to pass the fucking some wiring through the firewall.
And then you have to connect to the fucking radiator.
Oh, for real?
Alright, so basically, it says cut a little hole on the firewall?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's like a small rubber piece, like right above your clutch.
All this to basically fucking get that gauge working.
No,
that's
this goes.
Oh, you're almost done. You got this, George. I believe in you.
No, this one goes connected. This is right here.
What was that? Who's there? Who was it? Someone's knocking? ¿Qué onda? Was that him wagging his tail against him?
I don't know.
Fuck it!
What you got?
What the
Good
fuck? Who's this?
We're dead.
That's
Anyways.
weird. What the fuck? That was a clear ass log.
It stopped. Oh, you duct taped it to that other I see what he did. Hey, you duct taped it through the wire that you passed, huh? And then when you're gonna open that and they're gonna pull it and they're both gonna come, huh? This nigga's a goat, ain't gonna cap.
Maybe.
I get it. So you know,
The wire that was ready through.
he taped him. So I pulled it and now the other
And then
one
both of them came.
dapped me up.
Watch out, I gotta
Back up. He was trying to get these lines through his firewall. They didn't reach, so he taped them together, pulled it. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. It makes sense, but it's kind of like you have to. I don't know. Whatever. Here goes nothing, Bubba. Now what?
What's the reading?
To start, hold the remote near start button.
Oh,
Her. Gimme, 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 gimme. So what are we doing right now, Trinidad? We're just basically. What is it? Fuck it.
Alright, off.
Turn it off.
Yeah.
That's on.
Oh.
Now turn it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do it 10 times.
And do it again. On.
10 times.
Just look for leaks.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait, no, we're good. Yeah, go fresh.
It's idling hella high. Wait,
Why is all this on turn on? Oh, I had to tune it, huh?
is that why he's fucking up?
Why is vertical transmission system ignition?
Do you have an OBD2 sensor? Or a code reader thing?
Nah, but I have my tuner. The tuner feels good, right?
Does it read all that? Can you clear it through your tune?
Maybe. Yes, sir. Turn it off.
Fucking power steering, tire pressure, and the check engine light are on, as well as driving stability. I'm fucking being here. How do you say it? Stability. Stability's on. So I don't know. We'll find out right now. Let's go.
Well, there's two things.
I want to tune it again, bro, just in case.
You're gonna tune it again?
Yeah, I'm just scared, dude.
Bought.
Sleep, bro.
What the fuck did you do, boy?
I was uploading it straight to the tuner instead of uploading it
From the tuner.
Would you call that a bot?
I call that nigga dumb.
You're a bot. Hey, don't say that word. You're a
I
bot.
call that dumb.
You're a bot, George.
Dumbass.
So what are you doing now? Are you doing it the correct way?
No, I did it again, but now
Now we have to wait.
I realized as I was doing it.
So how are you gonna upload it?
Turn it off. Copyright. What's it saying?
We're
What's
good?
it saying? What's it saying?
We're gonna turn
Are they
off.
off?
Oh shit.
Are they off? Heard and they're off.
Actually, they are off.
How you know?
Because the car's not on the way.
Let's go!
Get me up, bro!
Let's go! Let's go!
Pump that shit now.
Hey,
Pump
pump
it.
this house.
Wait, hold on. Let me get out with you. Fuck that car.
That's so exciting, bro. This is an achievement.
Hold on, Chief. Oh my god,
This
I'm
is a life
excited.
achievement.
Let me smell it. Hey, let me smell it. Hey, I told him to let me smell it.
Whoa, whoa!
Oh my god, what was that?
Something with the,
Why did it jump like that?
I don't know, but the ignition just turned on.
The what?
The
Check engine lights are on too.
Did it really?
check engine light turned on as fuck. So I'm going.
What do you mean it's not going?
I'm not going. I'm not moving.
The check engine light turned on?
Yeah.
Loki, just drive it around a little bit. Let it get used to it.
I'm not. I'm flooring it.
Really?
You're flooring it right now?
Yeah, I'm flooring
Let
it.
go of the gas. Put it in neutral. Did your brakes
It's
work?
stuck at 43 miles an hour. Are you braking right now?
No, I'm not braking.
Oh, okay, it's gonna fucking hit me.
I'm gonna pull.
Pull over, yeah. Turn the lights on.
Oh, don't fucking pull over here, dog.
Nah, fuck this place.
have to.
I was born in this hood. You were flooring it right there?
Yeah, it was.
Is it moving?
No, it's not moving, dude.
You're flooring it right now?
Yes?
No, I'm not flooring it.
Fly right now.
It's moving now. Okay, it went away.
The light.
Yeah, fuel isn't. Yeah, E85 isn't probably through your whole fucking car yet, dude.
It's still at the same. I think it stopped right there. It's at 50.
And if you think about it, you weren't completely empty on gas either, dude.
So there's still gas.
There's still gas in there. There's regular gas.
Going normal.
What is it doing?
I'm smooth.
You're just driving normal?
I'm driving normal, yeah, I'm not flooring it.
How does it feel?
Cool. It was feeling pretty fast when it didn't jump.
Basically, this check engine light turned on, but what we're thinking is happening is he did have a little bit of regular gas inside of his car, and we switched to totally different gas, E85. We think the car is trying to adjust to the E85 right now. That's why the check engine light turned on. He tried to do a pull and it jumped. So right now he's just taking it slow, basically letting E85 run through
He's into it.
his engine. He's into it, so we'll see what happens.
Should I go straight?
Oh my god. Holy shit,
Oh my
dude.
God.
Holy fuck.